In a lush forest, where the trees whispered secrets and the streams murmured melodies, an unlikely friendship blossomed between a rabbit named Coco and a tiger named Raj. Coco, small and swift, darted through the underbrush with grace, her soft fur blending seamlessly with the earthy tones of the forest floor. Raj, majestic and powerful, prowled through the shadows, his amber eyes gleaming with intensity. Their paths crossed one day when Coco stumbled upon Raj, who had injured his paw while hunting. Despite her initial fear, Coco approached cautiously, offering her help. Surprised by her kindness, Raj allowed Coco to tend to his wound, grateful for her gentle touch. From that moment on, an extraordinary bond formed between them. Coco shared her wisdom of the forest, guiding Raj through the dense foliage and teaching him the ways of the creatures that dwelled within. In return, Raj offered his protection, warding off predators and ensuring Coco's safety. Their friendship defied all expectations, transcending the natural order of the forest. They roamed together, exploring the wonders of their shared home, each learning from the other in ways they never thought possible. As seasons passed and the forest flourished, Coco and Raj remained inseparable. Their friendship became a symbol of harmony and understanding, proving that even the fiercest of predators and the most timid of prey could find common ground. In the heart of the forest, where the sun filtered through the canopy and the breeze carried the scent of wildflowers, Coco and Raj stood side by side, a testament to the power of friendship to bridge even the widest divides.